Rahubat family, I wanted to have some time with you to let you know how things were going with Dr. York's case. I know it's been a while since I last updated you, and things have just been very busy. I apologize for not updating you sooner, but there have been some problems with some of the previous recordings and videos that I had put online, so I was being a little conscientious about what I put online from that point forward. However, there have been a great deal of changes in the last 6 months, and so we felt as though it was imperative that we brought you guys some information about what was going on with the medical, what was going on with some of the other litigious aspects of Dr. York's case. So our most recent visit was May the 27th and May the 28th, and he is doing as well as can be expected. He's holding on to the rope, of course, and we had a really good visit with him. Several of the things that need to be conveyed at this point is that Attorney Charles Tucker and I have been and continually still are working together on the medical litigation transfer. We are still in litigation. Of course, litigation, as many of you know, is a process, and it takes time to move forward with litigation in a successful way. We are in formal discovery still. We're having some discovery concerns as it relates to some of the discovery that has been provided to us by the Bureau of Prisons. So we're having to file subsequent motions to ensure that we have everything. There have been some new developments that Attorney Charles Tucker and I are working very closely to resolve. So we just want the family to know how much we appreciate all of the support that we've received throughout the years. We do understand that the medical litigation has been going on for quite some time, which causes people to have a lot of questions about what's going on now. However, we do want you to know that we are further than we've ever been with the medical litigation, and we are making progress. So please we are still working on getting his restrictions removed so that he can visit with more people. And in talking about the litigation and Attorney Tucker, it's imperative that we also thank the London family for all of their continuous support throughout the years. We know that you all have been very committed, and Dr. York knows that, and so we want to thank you all specifically, and we hope that this video may waylay some of the concerns that have occurred over the past year regarding the confusion of where things go, what's happening. We know that at one point we did bring you Dr. York's voice, and we're not doing that anymore, but please know that we are still visiting him, and we do have directives directly from him as his legal. With regard to the house and the bookstore, I know that the last video that I put out, I had requested that, or it was requested that books be I guess distributed from Shalimar Richardson. Well, that has changed, and the books are now just the way they used to be, going through Brooklyn, New York. That has not changed. That is still the distribution center. At this time, there are no plans to change that, and we will provide you with the information in the event that you need to order books. There's a lot of legal efforts going on right now, and there has been a change as it relates to where legal funds are supposed to be donated to. All legal funds are being collected by the house in Brooklyn, and the house in Brooklyn is then after distributing the funds to all of the legal places that they need to go. So thank you so much again for your support with the acts of kindness. The acts of kindness have been incredible. The Psalms book is changing so many people's lives. We get reports every day. New York is getting reports every day for how amazing the Psalms of Yanun has been in people's lives. So we're so thankful for that. But if you are interested in providing a donation, we are providing the information for you now for that. If you have any questions about donations, please contact the Parar in Brooklyn. If you have any questions regarding distribution or books, you need to contact the UNW Book Room in Brooklyn. Not in New Jersey. Also, please keep in mind that the Zed Festival will be held from June the 22nd through the 28th at the Pa Para number 1 in Brooklyn, New York. And we look forward to everyone participating in the festival. It's going to be a great time. With regard to all of the legal things that are going on, I can't go into detail on a lot of them at this point because there are different points of contact for different things. At this particular time, my law office is working in conjunction with Attorney Tucker's for the medical, and we still have put the clemency out there and are still diligently working on that. As most of you know, we have received confirmation from the pardon attorney's office that the clemency is being reviewed. So we're really excited about that. And, you know, a lot of steam was lost when the Obama administration went out and the Trump administration came in, and we were not successful during the Obama administration for the clemency. But I implore you to understand that we still are within the parameters of receiving clemency for Dr. York, even in the Trump administration. So if you have any thoughts whatsoever about the fact that just because it's Donald Trump who's the president that we will not get it, that's just simply, in my opinion, not 100% the case. Many presidents have granted clemency under lots of circumstances that people thought it would never occur under. So, you know, I'm keeping an open mind and being very positive about the possibilities, as well as the fact that the packages that we've provided to the pardon attorney are very, very strong and make a great case for why Dr. York deserves a clemency. So all the affidavits that you all sent in, we've used a great majority of them, and they were all very powerful. So I know that they will be effective. As you all know, there is a Sundance festival that is scheduled for July. I'm not really sure of the dates right now, but we of course did bring the Sundance Festival to Dr. York's attention in our most recent visit, and he is aware of it, and he supports any effort to free him, any place in the world done by anyone. So please know that we are in support of those efforts. And that's as much as we are legally able to say concerning the Sundance Festival. But certainly, if it's in your heart to support, it's in your heart to be there and attend, then by all means do whatever you feel is in your heart to do to help Dr. York and to bring about his freedom. With regard to Liberia, the Liberian fight is back on and very, very strong. And I'm sure you all have been keeping up with the updates from Ambassador Duswa. And Dr. York is very excited about what's happening in Liberia right now and how the tides are turning, and the possibilities are very, very strong for that to be successful as well. So we need everyone's support, because as you all know, this has been a very long 15-year fight, but we have a lot of things working for us now. And Dr. York is very excited about all of the hard work that everyone has put in over the years. And it's just a matter of bringing everything together for the right thing at the right time. And we're constantly, always trying to do that, all the people who are involved in his legal fight. So again, thank you for all that you support, all that you have done. And we are so grateful, and Dr. York is so grateful and very appreciative. So, Wadawu, you all take care. And of course, as usual, it's great to be with you again, and talk to you soon.